Guys, we are in the north of Catalonia. Catalonia is a small region from Spain. Well, it's not as small. And I'm gonna try this Activewear, Fioboc Activewear, because I have a situation and I need to choose the right clothes to use. And it's, as you can see, we are in the snow, right? So, but we are hiking. So the sun, it's up. So I cannot put a sweater, and this is not a sweater, but I cannot hike without anything. So this is a perfect, like a skin to my body that I can use it. You can see it fits perfectly. It's not a sweater, but it's a perfect, and I can have this on here that can protect from the cold that is getting inside my ears. It had a zipper where I can, if I want, I can put my hands inside, or if I want, I can put anything that I want. So right now, let's continue hiking and I'll keep you posted.
Hey everyone! Today, we are in the beautiful mountains of Catalonia. The temperature is -2 degrees Celsius, but the sun is shining, and the snow makes everything look breathtaking. We're here to put the SmoothBlend Quick Dry Sports Fitness Hooded Jacket to the test. Is it a good choice for hiking and mountain adventures? Let's find out.
It keeps me perfectly warm, not cold, not warm. And there's plenty of snow. It's not waterproof, even it get wet, but like I said again, it's not for waterproof. I just love how does it feel. The strength, the textile, the comfort. Yes, and again, I love so much this cap that I can put it on my head. If I want, I can just stick it out. I can put it again, and the zipper, the quality of the zipper, yeah, it's very good. So again, I just love this.
When choosing the right gear for the mountains, we need a jacket that shields us from the cold wind, protects us from the sun, keeps us comfortable without overheating when we start walking. So, how does the SmoothBlend Quick Dry Sports Fitness Hooded Jacket perform? First, let's talk about the fabric. It features high-tech, quick-dry material that wicks away sweat and dries extremely fast. It's lightweight and resistant to deformation, while the four-way stretch knit fabric allows for unrestricted movement. Plus, the full-zip sporty design makes it easy to put on and take off.
Something I didn't mention before is we are journeying with the direct sun inside of us, and this activewear is actively protecting me against the sun. So that's another benefit from this amazing Fioboc piece of cloth.
After wearing it today, I have to say, I'm pleasantly surprised. The quality is outstanding. The fabric feels great, and it has protected me from the cold, wind, and sun without making me sweat too much. It's not Dri-FIT and not waterproof, but its breathable fabric manages moisture so well that it feels amazing to wear. Another thing I love is its versatility. Not only is it great for the mountains, but it also looks stylish enough for casual wear, or even the gym. Personally, I prefer it for hiking, but it works for any occasion.
And now we are not even in the mountain, but we are in a mild weather. And this activewear, I feel that it fits so good on me that I can feel that it breathes my sweat. So it's very comfortable, as you can see here. It's very stretched and then protects my body against the cold weather, against the wind, and also against the sun. So it's very good. I can use it also as a casual wear. Something else is that I feel that my backpack it fits very good on me in my back. And the good thing is I can put also this cap here to protect my ears, because right now we have a very cold wind that I can feel it in my ears, and I feel that this can protect me, as you can see here. So the textile, it's very good. Yeah, I really recommend this. And my backpack, it doesn't hurt because the cloth is so good.
And here's the best part. I'm sharing a special 20% discount with you. Use the code Jorditoms20 at checkout on Fioboc's website and enjoy this fantastic jacket at an exclusive price. The link is in the description. Don't miss out. See you on the next adventure.